Hello and welcome to another Mindful Moment. I wanted to take you outside for this lesson because today we're going to talk about how nature is a great place to be mindful. First, take a moment to think about what you like to do when you're in nature. Whatever you enjoy doing outdoors, most of us can probably agree that being in nature is a great place to get lost in the moment. And isn't that what mindfulness is all about? Being in the moment? So what does it look like to be mindful in nature? It looks like letting go of all other distractions and fully enjoying your outdoor hobbies. It also looks like listening to the birds, or feeling the sun on your face, or watching a sunset, or noticing the flowers blooming in the springtime. Nature has a way of captivating us. We can be amazed, feel grateful, feel at peace, and find new perspective simply by observing nature and what it has to offer. I'm sure you could guess that today's lesson would conclude with a challenge to get out and enjoy nature today. To get you inspired, I have some pictures of Minnesota's beauty to share with you. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you get outside today.